Hi, I'm Dave Strand. You already know I run the best asphalt seal coating company on the planet. But what you probably didn't know is that in the late spring and late fall, we also gravel driveways. I already have a dump truck and I already have a tractor, so why not make a little bit of money in the spring and in the fall? Today we have a challenge. This driveway is 500 feet long and it's been neglected for years, but it's nothing I can't handle. The first thing we have to do is pump all the water out of the holes. If we don't pump the water out, we'll do nothing but make mud pies. While my guys pump the water out of the holes and pre-grade the driveway, we'll go and get the gravel.
Dave, how we doing?
I'm doing just fine, Herb. We need a load of 22A. Try that again.
Alrighty, coming right up.
Now that the water's out of the holes, the guys have almost got this ready for gravel. They're just pre-grading it right now. Now that we've got the water out of all of the holes, the driveway's nice and flat, let's go ahead and put some gravel on it. So there you have it. Not only am I the best asphalt seal coating company on the planet, I'm pretty darn good at gravel too. We'll see you next time. And by the way, keep watching my videos so Google sends me more money.